Have you ever wondered about the significance of prayer in Islam? It's a question that prompts us to delve into the heart of this beautiful and profound religion, to understand the essence of faith and devotion. Today we journey back in time to a night filled with tranquility and humility, a night that encapsulates the spirit of Islamic prayer. In the tapestry of Islamic history, there's a night that stands out. The night when our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, stayed with his aunt, al-Mu'minin Maymuna. As the night unfolded, a beautiful narrative of devotion and prayer emerged. As the midnight hour approached, the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his wife laid down lengthwise on the bed, while he laid down across the width. When midnight passed, he woke up, gently rubbing his blessed face to shake off the vestiges of sleep. He then recited 10 verses from Al-Imran, a significant chapter from the Holy Quran. In the quietness of the night, an old musket filled with water hung nearby. Proceeding towards it, he performed a meticulous ablution, preparing himself for prayer. He then stood in solemn prayer, a beacon of devotion and faith. Mirroring his actions, his companion too prepared for prayer. With warmth and affection, the Prophet placed his right hand on his companion's head, gently holding his ear and offering guidance. Together, they embarked on a spiritual journey, praying 2 rakats, repeating this holy act 6 times in total, amounting to 12 rakats. Then they prayed 1 rakat witr, a unique prayer performed in the Islamic tradition. As the night gave way to the first light of dawn, the muezzin, the crier who announces the prayer times, declared the arrival of the morning. The Prophet, peace be upon him, then offered 2 rak'ahs of the sunnah prayer, a recommended but not obligatory act of worship. As morning fully broke, he stepped outside and offered the morning prayers. This narrative offers us invaluable insights into the importance of prayer in Islam. It highlights the significance of the midnight prayer, the meticulousness of ablution, the importance of reciting verses from the Holy Quran, the spiritual connection established through prayer, and the significance of the witr and sunnah prayers. Above all, it illustrates the Prophet's unwavering devotion and commitment to prayer. Regardless of the time of day or night, his actions serve as a guiding light for all believers, illuminating the path of faith and devotion. So remember, in Islam, prayer is not just a ritual. It's an expression of faith, a conversation with Allah, and a testament of a believer's love and devotion. As we journey through life, let these lessons guide us, anchoring us in our faith and drawing us closer to our Creator.